Hello and welcome to another video. This is Mohammed Bakri from Community of Babel, and today we are going to study the prepositions in Standard Arabic. Of course, the prepositions are one of the most important things in any language. So let's start with the first one, min. Min means from. So for example, safartu min al-Qahira. Al-Qahira means Cairo. Min from. Safartu, I traveled. I traveled. So safartu, I traveled from min Cairo, Al-Qahira, Cairo. So safartu min Al-Qahira, I traveled from Cairo. Ila, the second one is ila. Ila means to. Okay, to. So safartu ila al-Iskandariya. I traveled to Alexandria. Okay, al-Iskandariya, Alexandria, and safartu, I traveled. So I traveled to Alexandria. Safartu ila al-Iskandariya. Of course, here the ya at the end is pronounced like alif, ila. Okay, the next one is an. An. An is used to express going beyond something or past something. So here, ذهبت بعيدا. بعيدا means far away from something or someone, far away. بعيدا, it's an adverb from the adjective بعيد, which means far. Okay, ذهبت بعيدا عن الشارع. شارع means street. So I went far away beyond the street or past the street or from the street. Okay, I went far away, like past the street or beyond the street. ذهبت بعيدا عن الشارع. Okay, the next one is على. على, the ya here is pronounced like alif. على. على means on. So القلم على الطاولة. طاولة means a table. قلم means pen. So the pen is on the table. القلم على الطاولة. The next one is في. في means in. الماء في الكوب. كوب means glass. ماء means water. So the water is in the glass. الماء في الكوب. The next three prepositions are a little bit tricky because they are connected directly to the word. So a lot of people think that they are part of the word, but they are not. Okay, so the first one is be. Be. Okay, be. This is the pronunciation. It means by. Okay, so safartu bi at-ta'ira. At-ta'ira means the plane. Okay, ta'ira means plane. At-ta'ira, the plane. Safartu bit-ta'ira, I traveled by plane. Okay, the next one is ka. Ka, this is the pronunciation, and it means similar to or like or such as. So for example here, هو سريع كالفهد. Okay, فهد means leopard, سريع means fast, and ka, like or such as. So he is fast like a leopard or like the leopard. Okay, so هو سريع كالفهد. The last one is li. Li, it means for. So for example, هذا الكتاب, this book. هذا الكتاب لكريم. Karim is a name for a boy or for a guy. Karim, so هذا الكتاب لكريم. لكريم, it means is for Karim. For Karim. هذا الكتاب لكريم. Okay, so these are all the prepositions in Standard Arabic. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like our videos, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos, and you can visit our website for more lessons. See you in future videos.